St. Andrew Hockey Club emerged winners of the Jamaica Hockey Federation Wentworth Construction and Consultant National Senior Hockey League for 2025-2026. The women's division was won by perennial winners St. Andrew's Strikers, who have never lost at the National League. The league's leading goal scorer, Camille Griffiths-Harris, was also the MVP. The best women's coach is Dr. Michelle Holt, while the best women's manager is Brittany Vidal. Meanwhile, the men's division winners are the St. Andrew Phoenix. The leading goal scorer and MVP went to Brandon Clark of Monroe Hockey Club, who came second in the league. Nicole Bradshaw is the best men's coach, while the best men's manager went to Tamika Green.